Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you all how to properly clean your makeup brushes. So these are all the brushes I will be cleaning. Now I will go ahead to show you two different type of soap you can use. This is dishwasher soap. You can use that, there is no problem at all, but I will be going for this is pure glycerin soap. Okay, this is what I will be using to clean the brushes. You can also use this if you want. So now I will place that and open the tap. But before you start using that, you want to rinse it because you don't want more bacteria in the brush. So you will just rinse that out and you will see what I will be doing with my soap. So I will wet my brush and rub it through and start cleaning. But please be very gentle when you're cleaning your brushes, okay? So this soap is very nice. I highly recommend this soap if you are a makeup artist or you like playing with makeups. This soap is really good. For those that live in Spain, you can find this in the Mercadona supermarket. I will also go ahead and leave the name of the soap in the description bar. And there are two type of colors of this soap. Both are the same. It is totally the same. It's just that one is green and the other one has something like milk color. Okay, you can use both. It is totally okay, no problem. And I was shocked with this soap because it's my first time trying this soap and I really like it. So I highly recommend this soap. It is good because it is pure soap. There is no chemical on it, you know. So I really like it, and it does take out all the makeup. Okay, it take all the makeup out of the brush. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, by the way, you are highly welcome. But please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, also turn your notification bell because that is how you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. I do appreciate you guys and welcome back. Did you guys see what this soap is doing? It's taking everything out of the brush. Unbelievable. By the way guys, the part 2 of this video will be coming after this one, okay? Because I wanted to do how to properly dry your brushes also, which that will be up next after this one. Do stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications, okay? Okay guys, I hope someone really find this helpful. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and comment down below. Okay guys, thank you so much and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.